COVID-19 crisis, India has proved itself in pharmaceutical industry, and we also exported vaccines to protect people all over the world globally. So, sir, there is a research which has been done by investment banking firm, and they have said that India has done explosive exponential growth in pharma industry that includes generic drugs.
Absolutely right. Indian pharma industry is a jewel in India's crown. This industry is growing double-digit year on year, and we have achieved this double-digit growth in real terms over the last 10 years. India is not called the pharmacy of the world without reason. We produce most of the generic drugs around the world. And in a study done in United States in 2022, it was found that 50% of all generic drugs and 40% of all prescription medicines were sourced from India. India has the highest number of WHO and US FDA certified plants. Nearly half the vaccines which WHO and UNICEF supplies globally as part of its programs is actually sourced from India. We are now expanding in all dimensions. From generics, we are now moving very fast in biosimilars. We are moving equally fast in Meditech. And you will see that in the years to come, this industry will grow rapidly further, and most independent market-based research firms project Indian pharma and Meditech industry as the industry with the best and the most glowing future.
So this firm has reported 44% growth in last 15 years. How you see this?
It has reported growth in terms of value and market cap, and in terms of the brand value created by India's generic companies. We salute the doyens of the industry and our scientists who made this happen.